Well, today we will just explain what is accounting and definition and basics. Accounting is the practice of tracking your business financial data and interpreting it into valuable insights. This allows you to generate critical financial statements such as a balance sheet, cash flow statement, and profit and loss report. It sounds simple, but in reality, a lot of behind the scenes work goes into accurately reporting on a business financial state. Accounting requires meticulous record keeping and financial transaction tracking year round. Moreover, keeping accurate records help ensure your business is prepared to file taxes, present information to investors, or even apply for a loan in the bank or any organizations. This is the just simple introduction. Now we will go to for the accounting basics. Recording financial transaction. This is the first subject. Recording financial transactions in a software which available in any companies. For a small business, accounting involves tracking money flow in various forms, including operations, expenses, example, marketing, utilities, rent, cost of goods sold, account receivable, and sales, and payables. It also took it also takes into account liabilities such as accounts, business loans and taxes, and the value of your assets such as cash and inventory. Let's say a client just paid their invoice online or money was withdrawn from your checking account to pay a utility bill. Each transaction, money in or money out, get recorded. Most business owners option for small business accounting software to help automate the process and reduce the likelihood of error. Second, organization financial transaction. How to organize a company wherever you are working. For example, if you are working in any company, of course, every responsible will be upon you how to organize your work, right? Well, in that case, you have to create a first step is a chart of accounts. This chart of accounts help organization and make sense of all of a business recorded transactions. It is essentially a list of financial accounts, and each time you record a transaction, you classify it under a particular amount. Most accounts fall into five overarching accounts types. First, assets. Second, liabilities. Third, equity. Fourth, expenses. And five, revenue. Categorizing transactions accurately is critical for producing financial statements which each pull information from specific accounts. After you enter a transaction and add a category, if under an account, your accounting software will be creating a journal entry behind the scenes. Most modern accounting software uses the double entry accounting system, which requires two book entries, one debit and one credit. For every business transaction, these entries are summarized in the general ledger. This is the second of the chapter for organization financial transactions introduction, just basics. Later on, I will explain you the details of chart of accounts, how to create the chart of account and all the things. This is just a tree, the tree explanation what is the basic of the accounts and what we have to do. Then later I will go for the details each step by step accordingly. So after that, what we will do, we have created the chart of accounts. Now we will want to see the running account reports. After recording and categorizing transaction, you can analyze the results of by running reports. There are a few main financial statements that business rely on. Income statement, second balance sheet, third cash flow statement. First let me clear in income statement what is called income statement. Income statement also called a profit and loss statement. The income statement consolidates data on revenue and expenses to show how profitable your business was over a specific period. It also shows how much it's paid in expenses and taxes. This is income tax statement. Second, balance sheet. The balance sheet takes your business assets, example inventory, equipment and account receivable, liabilities, example account payable or taxes owed, and equity into the account. This is the second balance sheet. Cash flow statement, as the name implies, this account report give you an overview of your business cash flow. It breaks down how your business earns cash and what the cash is going towards ideally. Your cash flow will be positive and indicate that you have enough cash to cover future liabilities, right? So that is called cash flow statement. The figure in your reports will look different depending on the whether you use cash or accrual based accountings. This cash and accrual means is the difference between cash and accrual is it will show exact cash which you have made the transaction, and accrual is basis upon the like if we have to pay some amount to some vendors, if we have to receive some money from our customers, that is on called an accrual basis. So this is two simple things which to be noticed. Well, for today's I just explained you basic things about accounting basics, recording financial transactions, organizing financial transactions, running account reports. This is three things I have explained. So now we will go in our next video, in our next information that how chart of accounts will be work and how to organize financial transactions and how to running account reports to give your manager or wherever you are working to have a summarize a report to your management, right? Well, that's it. Now that's it. So if you have any doubts or comments, you can ask me anything related to these three subjects which I have explained. Your comments and suggestions are most welcome to make me a more place to teach you. As I told you in my last video that I have experience in accounting basics, accounting, financial transaction, accounting in under management, about more than 20 years in all over the Gulf countries, and by the grace of God, Alhamdulillah, I have gained a very good knowledge and very good experience until auditing for the auditors in external and in external, internal and in external, both. So this is the final steps. But for the time being, I just have explained you that this is the things. So if any new fresh graduate students who already completed their basic bachelor's for accounting, this is very helpful for those. And in future, after completion of all my accounting, also will be help for those who are working in any organization at present. So do like and subscribe to my channel, please, and have a wonderful day to you. Thanks a lot for taking your time. Bye.